All right, here's another use case. Let's fix decel pop, or popping out of the exhaust when you are decelerating, coming from a high RPM back towards a low RPM. In this case, the Power Commander can help you fix this. Say we have our map here, and we're coming back down from 13,000 RPM towards 8,000, and then the deceleration pop kind of stops. We can highlight this area, maybe in that 0 and 2% throttle, so we're rolling way off it and we're just coming back down, and add 10 points of fuel here. Again, this is very low duty cycle and is only effective if your injector actually stays on during this time. And we could send this to our Power Commander. So this would be a fuel only style Power Commander to add 10% fuel to try and combat the decel popping. Another method is to adjust our timing. So we have the same table overlay in timing land. Well, we could add 2 degrees of timing to this area. And maybe this would help take care of the problem. Again, these are iterative processes. You're trying to improve your bike, your Power Commander 6, and how it interfaces with the bike to get the exact tune, how your bike drives, and how it runs for your style. So, decel popping is another use case that you can take care of with a Power Commander 6.